Good morning students. Welcome back to your online computer class. In our previous class we were discussing about the various parts of the Windows 7 desktop and we started with the taskbar. Today we will continue with the icons. So let's start students. Icons. What are icons? Icons are small pictures that are present on the desktop and they represent various programs, files and folders. See students, these small pictures that you can see on the screen are the icons. See, these all are the icons and they are the files. See, this is a file, this is a folder. So various files and folders and other programs, these are the icons. So let's start with the system icons. What are the system icons? Some icons are present on the desktop by default and these icons are called system icons. For example, see, computer, network, recycle bin. These are the default icons that are always present on the computer by default. So these are the default icons and they are known as system icons. Clear students? These are known as the system icons that are present by default. Next is file. Anything that we save on our computer, it gets stored as a file. If we save our file on the desktop, its icons appear on the desktop. Different types of files have different icons. So now let's see what are they. So now let's see the different types of files. See students, this Word document, see, this is a file. Can you see? This is a file. Next here, see, Excel document. This is also a file. Can you see students? This is also a file. So these are files and see, the images are always different. For files, the images are different for different files. Like the icons are different for different files. For example, here this Word has a different, see, it has a different icon. Here Excel has a different icon. See here Excel document, it has a different icon. So different files have different icons. Next is folder. A folder is a collection of files or other folders. To open a file or a folder, just double click on its icon or right click on its icon and select open from the list of the options that appear. See students, this is the icon of a folder. Can you see? This yellow color icon is for the folder. Now let's see the various folders here. Can you see the folders here? This one, this yellow color, this thing is a folder. Then this pen drive, this is also a folder. Here photos, this is also a folder. Like various files are stored inside a folder. See, these are the folders. See, desktop backup, this is also a folder. Now if I click one such, see, I have double clicked it and it opened. Also you can right click, like see, if I right click here, that is desktop backup. See, I am right clicking it and if I click this one open, see, in that case also it will open. See, various files are stored here. So this folder, in a folder there are various types of files, or we can say a folder is a collection of files. You can store other folders also in a single folder. Okay students, next is shortcut icons. Some icons have a small arrow on on their bottom left corner. These icons are shortcut icons and are used to quickly open a file or a program. These shortcut icons are generally placed on the desktop to quickly access a file or folder. See students, this is this arrow here. See, I'll show you. This arrow here is the icon of the shortcut menu. See students, all the blue arrows here, see here, 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 here. See, all this blue arrow indicates the shortcut icon. See, these are all the shortcut icons from where you can directly open the file or the program. So this is the shortcut icon. This blue arrow, this small icon, this is the shortcut icon, and it is used to quickly open a file or a program, and it is placed on the desktop. See, this is the desktop and these shortcut icons are placed in the desktop. Next is using right click on desktop. Right click of a mouse on the desktop brings up a shortcut menu with some very useful options like view, sort by, refresh, new gadgets and personalize. By using this menu, you can save your time to access various tools. Now let's see. Now I am pressing the right. Now I am right clicking on my mouse. See, it opened a menu, shortcut menu. See, what are the options there? First one is view, sort by, refresh, paste shortcut, undo delete, group folder synchronization, graphic properties, graphic options, new, screen resolution, gadgets and personalize. So by using this menu you can save your time. Now firstly I'll show you with the option that is new. See, new option. In this option you'll get folder, shortcut, Microsoft Office Access 2007 database and other options. With this option, if I create here, if I press this folder here, see, a new folder is directly created. So with this new option and by using the right click, we have created a new folder directly. So it saved our time. Okay students, so this is one example. Next you can add various gadgets. See, gadgets option is here. You can add these gadgets. Can you see the various gadgets? You can add these gadgets on the desktop. For example, if I select this clock here, and then if I right click on it and press add, and now I will close this. See, directly my gadget is added on my desktop. So with the help of the right click, we save our time and we do various things. We can add and save our background, screensaver background, and for all this we need not go to the control panel. We can directly do with these few things by right clicking on the computer or right clicking on the mouse. So students, this is all for today. We will continue more about icons in our next class. Thank you students.